going to be unboxing our new Berkey water filter, and I'm going to be priming the elements, and I'm going to be putting it together, and we're going to try it out. We're just going to put it together and see how it works. I've watched a few YouTube videos. I think I can figure it out. It seems pretty straightforward and simple. So here it is. So here are the purification elements, and we have to prime the elements before we begin filtering our water. And there's a lot of YouTube videos you can watch on how to do this. I'm going to show you how you do it. It helps the water filter that much faster. It gets all the air out of the filters before you put them in, so the water can flow freely and it doesn't take as long for the water to filter. So our Berkey came with 2 filter elements, and I'm going to prime them. Like I said, here's the little primer tool, and what you do is you just put this on your filter like this. You hold it up against the faucet with very slow stream of cold water, and you allow it to soak through kind of all the pores of the filter, and then it is ready to go into your Berkey water filter. All primed and ready to go, so now I'm going to see if I can put this thing together. It's all put together. It was really simple. I just watched a YouTube video on how to do it because I'm a visual learner. We got a bundle deal. So we got this stainless steel spigot, which I really like. They're supposed to last a lot longer than the plastic ones. And I'm just going to run water through this a couple times to make sure the water tastes good and that it gets all of the factory kind of stuff off of the filters. I'm super excited about this. I've been wanting one of these for about a year. I just wanted to tell you guys real quick why we chose the Berkey. It was the most economical water filter on the market. It's the easiest to put together. It's the easiest to change the filters. You only have to change the filters every 4 years. If you get the fluoride filters, you have to change them every year, I believe. Filters are super easy to clean. The Berkey is super easy to clean. It's stainless steel. Everyone that I know that has one that has done a review on it has said that it has lasted them 10 plus years. So that's amazing, and it's just an amazing, great value. So we wanted to try it for ourselves. So I wanted to go over why we chose the Berkey water filter. It's stainless steel, so that will last a long time. It's easy to clean. The filters, the basic black filters, you only have to change out every 4 years, and you can clean them, which is awesome. You can get a fluoride and arsenic filter, which you have to change every year. We don't have that yet. We just wanted to get the basic big Berkey first and see how we liked it. It's the best on the market. It's the most economical. It also filters out the most bacteria and viruses. We have city water, and it's very hard water, and there's things in it that you just don't want in your drinking water, and we use a lot of water in our recipes and things like that. We've been looking at this one for a few months now, and we decided to give it a try. Maybe in a later video I will let you guys know how it works. I'm going to let the water go through a couple times just to get all of the factory nastiness kind of stuff like that off of it, and then hopefully we'll be able to use our Berkey every day for the foreseeable future. So much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was some good information for you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!